pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. Oh.
Hey everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. So, I got a nice mailman today, and I got my packages. I got the box by Fashionsta. Now, I don't know which month this is going to be, because I think the last time I paid for it was in March, and then they went through that whole closing the distribution thing. By the way, if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so glad you are here. I hope that you will take the time to watch this video in full and say hello to me. Priority 3-day. Yeah, they just need to even stop doing that. It's not even working. This box is super heavy. This is a $25 a month box. And it's got a combination of makeup and skincare. And when it first came out, it was like booming. And now I don't see that many. Oh, some of it's open with this subscription. But I do see, oh, I see a Glamlite palette in there. All right, let's just go through it and see what we got. We have a super hydrating soothing mask by Jet. And we usually get a lot of products from Jet in this. And let's see what the value is. $9. Okay. I don't know what that, it's a soothing microfiber towelette. Oh, it's got aloe, tea tree, and pomegranate. Okay, so it's a mask kit. Is that it? And step 2 is a mask. Okay, so there's a cleanser kind of cloth, and then there's a mask. All right, let's see what this is. Sexy girl. Cute packaging. I like the black and the pink together. Sexy girl. It's a lipstick. Okay. So it's $18. Ooh, look at the packaging. Super cute. Is that a girl on there? Oh, it's a mermaid. You see that? That's adorable. Ooh, whoa. And look at, that's adorable, but so not my color. Definitely go, look how they did that. That is cool. Definitely going in a giveaway. Guys, is this your color? Just let me know. Send it right to you. Okay, cute though. All right, what do we got next? Bye-bye germs. Hand sanitizer. Oh my gosh, like right now. I ordered some from Boxy like back in May, and it was the pop-up, and I was supposed to get it this month, and then all of a sudden, guess what? They refunded me and said I can't have it. I was so annoyed because it's so hard to get hand sanitizer right now. I'm so excited to have this. You have no idea. Okay, that's like my favorite product so far. All right, now we got Shivani Beauty. This was open like that. I don't know what it is. Let me see. Shivani, a multi-purpose hybrid formula that is both a primer and beauty oil, fast absorbing, lightweight properties, assist in delivering firmer, plumper, and more youthful skin for a hydrated, radiant, flawless complexion, vegan, cruelty-free, and made in the USA. Jackson, be quiet, please. Oh, this is cute. Now, the one thing I always want to make sure you check is expiration dates, because I noticed that, like, my last box had an expiration date of October. This one, what? It's got a manufacturer date, February 20th, 2020. Okay, so this should be good for a while. All right, so I'm excited. I like skincare. Then we've got, oh, I love stuff with cucumber. What is this? Did I tell you the price of that stuff? Oh, it was $54. The Shivani Beauty. Okay, so Clean and Calm Cucumber and Blue Lotus Micellar Water. Vitamin B extract, cucumber extract, water lily. Herbal Dynamics Beauty. This is $16. Okay, it is, I'm glad it's sulfate, paraben, and phthalate free. It can be used as a toner or a one-step cleanser, it says. It looks more like a toner, but it does have some bubbles. Apply to a cotton ball and sweep over your face. Well, that's cool. And cucumber's really good and calming for the skin, so we'll add this to my 107 bottles of skincare. Next, oh, it's a palette. I've been wanting to try Glamlite. So this is exciting to me. What is this worth? Oh, by the way, the hand sanitizer was $5.50. Glamlite, $38. And the total value is $140.50. Ooh, oh, it feels nice. Alondra Desi. Glamlite Cosmetics. Ooh, it's got a mirror. Guys, look. Let's take off the plastic. Isn't that pretty? Wow. I'm liking that a lot. Really nice. Okay, I have so many of these. It's cruelty-free, 18 months. It's good for... It has... Glamlite Cosmetics is located in California, and this was made in the PRC. So this is definitely something that I would trust. You guys know how I've been with my videos lately on ingredients and where they come from and whether or not it's a reputable company and something that I would trust. This definitely is. And I'm going to give it away to one of you. So, would you like that? A giveaway? All right, here's what we're going to do. If you are 18 years or older, subscribe to my channel. Or if you have a parent's permission, like this video, share it out if you can, you don't have to. Leave a comment that says enter me. I will choose random picker in a week or two and I will announce a winner. Leave me a way to get in touch with you, an IG, a Twitter, something like that, and we'll go ahead and give this baby away. I'm excited to do that. I love doing giveaways. The official giveaway rules will be in the description box down below. And I just want to thank you again for joining me for this video. Is this a box that you get? Are you happy with it? Is it getting better? I think this is one of the better boxes, and I'm really excited about the hand sanitizer. I mean, I don't know if that's normal or not, but I'm telling you, nowadays we need it. So just to recap, we got the oil, the toner / cleanser, the hand sanitizer, the soothing mask plus the preparation thing for it, the lipstick, and the cute little mermaid thing, and then the palette. And I am definitely giving away the palette. So, yay! You guys ready for that giveaway? Let me put this down and thank every single one of you for joining me for this video. I do love you and care about you so very much. Just want to welcome the new gem memberships. I have channel memberships now, and it just gives you kind of like extra perks, and I've been sending out bracelets for you guys and different things, and of course a raffle ticket for the end of the year 2020 raffle. And I would love it, you know, if you guys have not subscribed, if you would, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.